stud. Gotta use this. Mark your box. Stud right there. Got my water line over there. I'm gonna drop the line from the attic. Use the Dremel. I'm gonna tap it to the power line from the attic. It's for a fit. Okay, just a little bit of trim. I'm touching the bottom. This one is touching the bottom, so I know how much I need to cut. But I'm not gonna cut this, just here. Perfect. I'm gonna notch or punch out the notch, this one, for my line. But I gotta go up. If you're working by yourself, I have my camera, so I'm just gonna go to the fuse box panel and monitor from there. Alright, checking the attic, and now it's disconnected. That's the vent from the other bathroom. Alright, pull this out. Here's my findings. So there's two wires, yellow, right, yellow, left, yellow, right. I went to the attic. There's two yellows. So I figure that if this strip, the other yellow line or the other line, it goes to my other bathroom. So it goes to here. Well, one of this line from that bathroom. I'm getting my bathroom renovated. Otherwise, check their work. It's not. Sometimes they get sloppy. Like I found a connection like this up in the attic with no junction box. It was just twisted nuts, like somewhere up here. So I need to let them know. And one of my exhaust fan on my other bathroom, they disconnected it. It wasn't even put back. But anyways, getting sidetracked. Double check their work. But anyways, so that line, I figured that the GFCI line would go over here, and once that one is stripped, it would turn this off, but that's not the case. So this is what's that, load? No, line. So this line, that's the best way. I couldn't, man, if you go in the attic you get lost. So put a long what's that called, drill bit, skinny drill bit, just to follow this line. So but anyways, could not tap the wire to that because it's not going to be protected. So, and it's supposed to hook up to the load right here, so that way the branch to the other outlet is protected. But since this is tied off, I don't know how am I gonna do this. I don't know if I could drop a line over here. There's only two slots over there. I don't know, maybe drill a hole over here or something. But worst case is I'm gonna have to change this plug to a GFCI. Yeah, so I mean that would be the easiest way, is hook up to the line all the way up in the attic, make a junction box, drop the line over here, and do a GFCI socket. Unfortunately, although the bidet has a GFCI plug, but I want to make sure that it's a GFCI. Also, I'm gonna have to change this. I did a test and reset, and the reset button popped off, and now it won't turn on. So I need 2 GFCI now. That's the drill bit. Just gonna cut it straight. That's the top plate. See all the stuff, the renovation they're doing. Yeah, that's the wire I was telling you. That's it. That's probably trash right there from the old light. So you guys gotta check their work. But I'm gonna drill right there using this, and then put my fishing rod, or the rod to fish the wire, down and attach my Romex. There you go. I used the 3/4, so I'm gonna put my rod down there, fish it out. Be careful, I'm really too close to the roof. I got nails in there. Fucking nails. Look at this. This is the stuff that they disconnected. They didn't put it back. It's my exhaust. You know? Not good. Alright. Fishy. Just gonna drop the line. Well, drop the line.
and old man niece, I decided to put the box right there. That box. Cut this. It's from the breaker, and this is from the switch downstairs, the one I showed you. So everything is lined. So this is lined. So this, I mean, I know that's a 15 amp cable. Oh no, 20 amps. This is 15. Usually, you know, I mean, I would, it's not gonna be used for more than 15 amps. It's a bidet, so it should be fine. This was wired 20 amps for the bathroom. I'm not sure why, but there's no appliances there. And this is not the laundry room, dryer and washer, so, but I'm gonna drop it, work on the box. I have 15 feet. It's not gonna reach to my desired location, so I'm just gonna have to do right here, there, and this one should fit. Or right here. Yeah, right here. As long as I have enough wire, I'll just route it under. I'm just gonna route it under. Right, so under. Now double check again. Nothing. Try this one. Okay. I'm gonna splice. So use the twisted nut. The twisted. This. I'm gonna use this and tape it up. So I'm just gonna put a cover. And then somebody's using the bathroom. I gotta hook that up.
3 minutes before the store was closing, I was able to buy this. Pretty expensive. The only hardware store here is Ace, so one for that one that broke, and bought me some staples. I'm gonna go back to the attic, staple the wire, and actually connect my exhaust. I'll see if I can staple this one. Yeah, well, probably not. It'll be hard. There you go. Probably not necessary. Put the electrical tape, but just want to do it that way. Make sure it's tight, those wires. And if you're paying attention, make sure the connection are in line, not load. When you buy GFCI, you'll see the sticker. This is for load. This is to protect if you want to add additional outlet. You put it right here, so it's protected. Easier to put the outlet this way and then shove everything back up and screw this hole down. There you go. Alright, putting the screw, put the electrical tape on the side. There you go, just like that. Now I'm gonna finish putting the screw and lock this up. Don't overdo it. If you're gonna break. Alright, I put the tab on top so it's easy to remove, but nobody's gonna know. Nobody. Now, time to turn on the circuit breaker.
Right. Circuit breaker is on. Lights green. Make sure the connection is good. Green is good. That's good. Reset. Nice green. Good. And good. There we go. All done.